Alright, so here we are at the Dyson repair shop in Whittier, California. And here's Dyson's brand new model, the Ball Animal 3 Extra, with anti-hair wrap vanes and this cool thing where when you press this, it empties the bin. But all Dysons have that. That's been around for a while. So the reason why we're here is I am taking in my Dyson DC41 to get that repaired. Right there, see? See, it's missing the ball. It has that one though. So I'll show you some other vacuums around the shop. Brand new Omni Glide, out of charge. So that's pretty cool. I like to own that one of these days. Excuse me. DC15 laser detect. That's pretty cool too.
Alright.
So, and also, here's a V8. That's out of charge. Oh, it's not the anti-hair wrap vanes. I don't think the V8s have those.
Okay. Wrap it up.
Alright, so thanks for watching, viewers, and bye.